So I'm Shivan Mocha. I'm a machine development engineer at William Cook. I started as an apprentice back in 2016. I've since then moved into an engineering role, and now my day-to-day responsibilities are fixture design, offline programming, and management of all new machine development parts. So William Cook's been around for nearly 2 centuries now. We've got 3 main divisions, which is defence, cast products and rail. We design, manufacture and overhaul components, and our main customers are companies like Siemens, Skoda, Alstom, Delner and London Underground. On average, we produce around 2,000 components a month, which equates to about 30 tonnes of steel. William Cook has 15 CNC milling machines. We've got 3 vertical borers and a lathe. We wanted to update our presetting technology, but also we wanted to start to collate a tool library as well at the same time. Zoller was offering sort of one all-in-one package. So we chose the Smile 420. This was recommended by Andy Deitch from Zoller, and I think his expertise there would really help pick the right machine that suits our needs.
So we used to set the tools on the machine using slip blocks and setting rings, or we used to have an old shadowgraph tool setter, which wasn't very accurate.
Going from the old shadowgraph to the Zoller has probably saved us about 50% time-wise. It's been a great help to us. Yeah. It's very accurate and exactly what we need.
So our customers expect us to deliver high quality machine castings to a schedule. The Zoller machine has helped this process, particularly when it comes to changeovers, because the tool data from the previous batch can be compared to the current batch. It makes checking tools much easier and much quicker. So at William Cook we continually machine highly complex and precise components, so speed and accuracy for presetting will always be an advantage. I think in looking at the future, I think we will look at Zoller for either automated tool storage and automated tool management.
I've worked 45 years in engineering, so it was quite a change for me, but it wasn't all that difficult after I got used to it.
The main benefit I've seen is setting a boring bar. It's near enough within 0.5 on there, obviously to the machine capabilities, but it's a lot better, a lot closer than it were on the old shadowgraph.
So in my final year at university, I was tasked with an industrial project to look at some kind of improvement at William Cook. And the biggest thing that we've always had an issue with is tooling. So through investigation and research, I came across Zoller. Yeah, the experience from Zoller was great. I think everybody that I've dealt with was very keen to understand William Cook's needs and requirements and to provide multiple solutions for what you guys can offer. The service team at Zoller have always been on hand when we experience some minor technical difficulties. I would recommend Zoller as the service is excellent, the machines are reliable and allow a lot of customizability. The technology they offer is cutting edge.